Good morning, folks. Welcome to another episode of Jimmy Brown Fishing. Today we're going to be fishing for crappie, and it's currently 70 degrees outside. Surface temperature of the water is 74 degrees, and it's January 1st, 2022. Happy New Year, everyone. Going to be trying a couple different things today. One is obviously my trolling. Trolling is my number one tactic to catch crappie. And then today I'm also going to be trying out my new Crappie Max rod. It's a Bass Pro Shops Crappie Max Signature Series, and I'm going to be using the Crappie Max reel. I believe it's a size 1000, and I also think that the pole is only about 5.5 feet long. So what I have here is a crappie jig with some marabou hair, 1/16 ounce, pink head with a chartreuse body and the magenta tail. We're going to be trying that with a bobber. We're going to be jigging bobbering. So let's see how things go today. Hopefully we can record a lot of catches. Let's catch another one. That one caught me off guard. I was using a Bobby Garland split tail vertical jigging. He caught me completely off guard. Let's go catch another one. Got a nice one on here. Very nice. Pretty good. Not as big as I thought he was, but pretty big. Not bad. Maybe 10 and a half. Let's catch another one. Fish on. Catch another one. All right, folks, that's going to wrap it up for the day. The wind is getting very strong, and I'm having a hard time controlling the boat while I'm trolling. So I apologize. This is going to be a short video, but I did end up catching a few fish. So hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to Jimmy Brown Fishing, and until next time, let's go catch another one. Happy New Year.